What's up, guys? Back again with another video. I'm standing in my booth over here at the Painted Tree in Dulles. I'm about to take this one down and the other one and replace them with these. And I'll be making some more changes, bringing in some new stuff, and we're taking out some old stuff. So I'm gonna do a video when I start bringing stuff in and taking stuff out. Again, in the meantime, come on down and check me out. I'm at the Painted Tree in Dulles, spot H19. All right? Spot H19. Let's take this down. All right, this one. That's my red one. And this one's going up in this place. And the other one, let me go ahead and do this one, show you this one too. That one's going down. Now all of these are on my website, bigboyacrylicdesign.com. That's B-O-I, not B-O-Y. It's B-O-I because, oh yeah, I am a big boy. If you go to my website, all of these are for sale. Or if you hit me up, I could personally make you one with the colors you want, customization. All right. With that being said, guys, let me show you a little bit. I got my mugs here. They're ready for you. This one I did for the Pittsburgh Steelers. I'm about to do more of the other football teams. That's going to be one of my projects, is to do more of my mugs and cowboy colors as well as the other football teams. So I'll be doing more videos about that. Look at my trivets. Silver and gold trivets right there. All right. Another trivet right here, green one right there. So if you like what you see, come on down and check me out. Painted Tree Dulles, spot H19, Northern Virginia. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you later. Have a good weekend. Don't drink too much. And if you do, have one for me. Peace.